world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, with new coins and tokens popping up regularly. It can be challenging for an investor to decide which coins are worth investing in and which are not. One coin that has recently caught the attention of many investors is the API3 token, API3. In this video, we will take a closer look at the API3 coin, including its history, analysis of its current performance, and predictions for its future price. By the end of this video, you should have a better understanding of whether or not API3 is a coin worth investing in. About the API3 coin. API3 is a decentralized application, DApp, that aims to create a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, to develop decentralized oracles. Oracles are used to bridge the gap between smart contracts and external data sources, allowing them to access information from the real world. This is a crucial aspect of blockchain technology as it enables smart contracts to interact with the outside world. API3 was first introduced in 2019, and its initial coin offering, the ICO, was launched in 2020. The coin is built on the Ethereum blockchain, and it is currently being used as a governance token for the API3 network. The API3 network is still in its early stages, but its goal is to create a decentralized network of oracles that developers can use to access data from various sources. Analysis. When analyzing the API3 coin, there are both positive and negative factors to consider. On the positive side, the coin has had a relatively stable performance over the last 30 days, with 63% of the days being green, meaning the coin's price increased. Additionally, our historical data suggests that it is currently profitable to invest in API3. This is a great sign for investors as it shows that the coin has the potential to generate a return on investment. However, there are also negative factors to consider. The price of API3 has decreased by 59.53% in the last year, which is a significant decline. This is a red flag for investors, as it shows that the coin's value has decreased over time. Additionally, multiple technical quantitative indicators suggest that the current forecast for API3 in 2023 is neutral. This means that the coin is not expected to experience significant growth in the near future. When looking at the coin's on-chain activity and development, it's important to note that the API3 network is still in its early stages. While the concept of decentralized oracles is promising, it remains to be seen how successful the API3 network will be in achieving its goals. This is something that the investors should keep in mind when considering whether or not to invest in API3. Closing thoughts on the API3 coin's future price. Overall, the API3 coin is a bit of a mixed bag. While its recent performance has been relatively stable and profitable, the coin's overall decline in price over the last year is a concern. Additionally, the coin's neutral forecast for 2023 suggests that there may not be significant growth anytime soon. This can be a deal breaker for some investors, who may be looking for a coin with a high growth potential. However, it's important to keep in mind that the API3 network is still in its early stages, and its potential for growth in the long term should not be overlooked. The concept of decentralized oracles is an exciting one, and the API3 network has the potential to be successful in the long term. As the API3 network matures, it could become an integral part of the blockchain ecosystem, providing developers with access to a wide range of external data sources. This could lead to a significant increase in the value of the API3 coin. Another important factor to consider is the overall market trend. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and it can be difficult to predict the future price of a coin. However, the current market trend suggests that API3 is a good buy in 2023. This is because the coin has stable performance, and it has the potential to generate a return on investment. Additionally, the concept of decentralized oracles is an exciting one, and has the potential to be a game changer in the blockchain industry. In conclusion, the API3 coin is a promising coin with great potential for the future. However, investors should be cautious and keep an eye on the coin's performance.